Hello everybody, welcome back, and we have also got you another video today as well. In this video I'll show you how you can book flight on Hopper app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start our video. For that purpose, what we will do is, first of all, let's go ahead and open our Hopper app, which you can see I've already opened it up, and it's gonna look like this, the home page of that app. So if you would like to book a flight, you can see this flights icon above. Tap on it. Permissions, tap on from where you're going. If it's to, then where to, you can go to this option. Now then you can see in the departure date, return date, go there. Well, and you can see this green, orange, and dark orange plus this red color. This basically shows the prices. So you can go ahead, you can see the seats are showing green. That means these seats are available for July, and in August the red one and the green ones available. Other than that, the seats are booked. So you can go ahead, choose that particular date. If it says go ahead, choose that date, and then you're done. Tap on the select this date and you're good to go. Tap on the search option. Once you do that, you will see this kind of interface, right? You can see the current lowest price. It will show you over here. You can see all of the details. Tap on this view flights option, and now you will see all of the flights that are available with the prices over here. So for example, I will go with this one above, and this will show me the amount. So once you're done, you can go ahead, choose that particular plan over here. If you tap on that, you will get to see all of the plans. Tap on this, select this outbound, so you can go ahead, choose that particular one. This is how it's gonna look, and tap on this, select this return, and this gonna show this kind of interface. Flying and plus round trip per traveler. You can see the voucher has also been applied. If you tap on this continue option, you will be able to confirm the itinerary. You can go ahead, tap on this continue option, and now you will have to sign in over here with your account or with any of the options given. And then once you're done, you can go ahead, enter your payment method as well, and you're good to go. You will be able to book your flight. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. If you got a particular question, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.